tired is not even the word. I'm so tired. Guys, I'm so tired. But my mom went on the road, so I'm watching Jaheim today. Well, not really watching Jaheim, watching. Well, yeah, watching Jaheim for the most part. Is it for long? Not for really no long time. But I have Jaheim right now. So I just plan to go to the beach. That's where I'm trying to go at this moment. But I'm probably not gonna go like right now. I think it's currently around some minutes to 10. If I'm not mistaken, it's some minutes to 10. And I'm trying to go at least midday. So hopefully it works out. Because me and my brother is supposed to go on the road today. And he been wanting to go on the road all this time, and we still haven't went yet. Because every time I'm on the road doing something, he asked me, okay, let's go to this hotel and eat and stuff. So I guess he got a little pass or whatever to go over there. So I don't want to be like, no. So I'ma just have to go. Because I actually wanted to go out to a party again tonight. Okay. But yeah. So I'll just bring James to the beach and stuff. I'm not gonna go in the water. But I'm gonna just go for the view and so you guys could see the beach. I'm not sure which beach yet. Probably just a normal little water around me and stuff. But guys, the party last night was so good. Like, the only thing is they didn't play a lot of female music, which is shocking. Which is really shocking. I don't know what I feel like I'm spraying my nose. I don't know how, but I feel like I did. They didn't play a lot of female music for some reason. But I understand there's a lot of dancers there and they want to do the most gangster dances. I think they played like female music for like an hour. Guys, I still don't do my finger. I'm still not got the doctor. Hey, throughout this vlogs, that's the two main things, and I still haven't went to go do them yet. I just been trying to find time for fun and not time for like these little stuff. I just need to take the fingers. I'm gonna finish take these off because I have time today to do that. So it's a little chill morning. Every morning since I've been here, I have something to do. I literally have something to do. This morning is more chilled and I have in between times to do little stuff. Yes, because it's already almost 10 o'clock or something. So, break these off so my finger look normal. And then, yeah. So, my days are counting down now. I don't think I have days left. And I'm depressed again. I'm going to a nervous breakdown. But yeah, health wise though, I'm feeling much better. I don't cough like that much again. Like even yesterday I didn't cough. So it's improving. I guess the medicine is working. And I think I only took the medicine 2 times yesterday or 1, So I need to take some medicine today again. And anything else? No, I think I have anything else to say. I think that's for the most part I have to say. So yeah, I'll check in back when I have anything else to say or whatever it is. So guys, I'm currently looking for something for Jaheim to wear to the beach or whatever we're going. But I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna try to find something. I'm gonna just put on some regular clothes, and then when I go to the beach, I'll probably put on his beach shorts. It depends on the water. I know if he's going inside or not. because some of these waters I think is not good for him. I'm probably not even put him in the water because I'm not going in the water. He probably gonna touch his little feet in the water and that's it. He don't need to be, you know, the lighting kind of messing up the video. But yeah, so I need to get ready. Jaheim, you going to the beach? You going to the beach, Papa? Yes. Yeah, guys, so we're going to the beach. I can't find nothing though, guys. I'm saying what all of Jaheim clothes them line out. Like Jaheim have so much clothes, so much shoes. It's always hard to find. It's not hard to find clothes, but I make it hard to find clothes. Wanna say hi, Jaheim? So you still have on your night clothes, your night. So I'm gonna get ready, Jaheim, put on his clothes, and then I'll come back. Alright. So guys, my day is a little delayed. My ride is kind of backed up in town, so instead of going morning, I will be kind of going afternoon. So I'm gonna try to take a little nap in between. I just gave Jaheim his milk, and I hope he just fall asleep in his crib, so I could take a nap. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick nap, and then I'm kind of ready. Already had my bath and everything on already. So yeah, I'm gonna check in. Alright, hurry up, run before it knock me down. Right, now you should have seen the donkey. Guys, this is whitehouse for people who don't know.
Oh man, you don't want to hear them talk, man. You laugh to the bed, man. No, that man, they want you young boy, man. Where the boy, where they man, on the board, man. Young boy, man. You have to get that young.
Wait, where's Bada? We're passing. Oh, it's back that way? Oh. So Jaheim is pretty scared of the water, right, Jaheim? Where are those at? Oh, like Jaheim. Oh, yes, on the Ambada. We're in somewhere called Whitehouse. Well, passing Whitehouse. This is called Border, and they have seafood like fish and stuff, bami. But it's really, to me, it's expensive because my steamed fish was for $1,500. But it's like, to me, that's like a lot. How much he said? Huh?
1,500 for each reading.
But y'all want it though?
Can't change me go.
Let me go at 15 and let me give you 3.
Huh?
Yeah, what layer? The middle one is like extra.
It's really small. For 15, I'm just going to find it. It's something else. What you pay for 15, I'll do that. Don't want me to do a fish, man.
This is what you give you fish for.
Yeah, I'll pay it for 15. Share. I'll give you 1,500. Share that. I said, you can get one for that 500.
Yeah, they're really expensive. I would just advise anybody to make their own fish and go rather than me I go cook the damn fish. Too expensive. 1,500 for one fish. How much US is that? It's still a lot. Fuck that. I'm not even gonna compare US to Jamaican right now. It's still expensive. Currently going to buy coconut. It's like really close to where we got the fish. Oh. Hello. I want a nice jelly coconut. Yes. It don't even have to be cold, not even room temperature.